Making our customers happy is our number one priority, so when one of them writes us an awesome 5-star review, well, we love to share it. We do our best to get customer feedback. Though we never ask for feedback, we always appreciate hearing from customers as we strive to constantly improve our services by listening, focusing, and caring for every single one of our customers. We want you to get the best service possible, and at the same time, we'd like to earn a 5-star review from you. Call us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.